everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi Lee here. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Hope you guys stick around and subscribe. If you guys are not new or you're turning viewers or subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to my channel once again. So today's video is going to be another unboxing, and I promise you this will be the last unboxing for a while. It's because I returned the SLG that you guys saw in my previous video. If you guys didn't see it, I'll link it down below, because I wanted a card holder to go with my new purse. I'll link that unboxing down below as well for you guys if you guys want to check it out. And I hadn't found the perfect one. If you guys watched my last video, you guys know that the FA at the San Francisco location was pushing me onto buying this longer card holder, and it was just so not what I wanted. It takes up way too much room in my mini, and that's not what I need. I need to carry my camera, I need to carry my cards, my cash, my car keys, and my AirPods, some lotion, things like that, and the longer one just took up too much room. However, if you don't do YouTube, you don't need a camera or anything like that, then you won't care. Like, the other one could have fit in your bag perfectly, but for me, I can't go anywhere without my camera. Like, my camera is everything. I have to vlog for you guys. If you guys haven't seen my vlogs yet, check them out. But I like to carry my camera with me all the time, and that's just a necessity that I cannot not have. And then when I went back in to buy the flat card holder, another FA was trying to get me to buy another purse so I could put the card holder in, because I told her, I was like, it's too big, like I need the room for my purse. She's like, well, we have bigger purses you can purchase. And I was like, no, I don't want to buy a whole other purse for an SLG to go into. You find the SLG to go into your purse. So that kind of like taken me aback, and that's the reason why I hate shopping at that location. So my FA amazingly texted me, and he told me, like, look what I have. And it was exactly what I asked the boutique in San Francisco. I just said, do you just have one that's a little bit smaller and doesn't have the flap? I'll put some pictures up here if you guys haven't seen that video, but definitely check it out really quickly, what they're trying to sell me and then what I ended up with, and this is what I'm gonna get now. So I'll just put it up here real quick. And I was like, oh my god, that's what I've been asking, and they told me they didn't have it. I even checked the boutique when I went to return the flat card holder thing, and the FA told me they didn't have that there. If you guys didn't know, Chanel's buys are totally different in every single boutique. Just because one boutique carries something doesn't mean another will as well. So when I say like their buys are different, it's like they order different things to each store. So sometimes what my FA in Hawaii has, San Francisco might not have, and vice versa. So that's why on the website you can't just buy things off the website, because it's based on the buying, like what boutiques buy what. That's why it says call to talk to an advisor. So that's what Chanel does, and I actually kind of like that, because then you can come across really cool things that might not be available just to anyone. So when I found out that they had this one at the Hawaii location, I was like, yes, I want that one. That's exactly what I was looking for. And my amazing FA sent me pictures, comparisons, all that stuff to make my shopping experience really easy, and I don't feel ever any pressure for shopping with him. So if you guys are looking for an amazing FA, please DM me on Instagram. I'll be totally willing to give you his information if you guys are serious in buying like stuff from Chanel, or if you guys are looking for something in particular, you guys can let me know what it is, and I can relay the message to him if you guys aren't comfortable with reaching out just yet or anything like that. I'm here to help you guys, and hopefully you guys get your pieces as well. Let's get into this unboxing. I already got the box open, but I haven't looked inside yet because there is so much tissue paper. So my FA packed this really nicely. He put tons of tissue paper inside. Can you see? And it's like the iconic like tissue paper that Chanel has. Oh, I already dropped one. But it's like, they always do like the folding just like this. And I have like a bunch in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be keeping any of this, or actually I can actually use this to stuff my bag. As always, it comes with this cute little bag and the camellia flower. So that's that. I think my receipt might be in the box just so that doesn't get lost. Oh, my little flower's little bent, but it's okay. Then here is the box. The flower and the ribbon, super pretty. So let's unbox this goodie, okay? I've been waiting for this piece for a while now. just gonna put this in the bag. Here is the box. People always say like, oh, you can find product information on the side of the box, but I don't get that on mine. On my mini, I didn't get that either. So that's something that I noticed. I don't think it matters though, because the item's in here still. Even in my last unboxing, I noticed like there wasn't a sticker or any kind of info on the boxes, so I'm not sure why that is. And here is the receipt card holder. As per usual, it has a little indentation of the flower on it, which I think is a nice touch. And then this is the care booklet thing that has all the information how to take care of your stuff, and I think it has like a bunch of different languages in here as well. And then in here, I'm gonna take this out. This is the card holder in here. This is like a felt, same as the last one. All right, and this is my new card holder, you guys. How cute is it? All right. Here's the back. Here's the front again. So this one is in the light gold hardware. So anything that's in the spring summer take two collection, it's going to be all light gold / champagne hardware, whichever one that, you know, your FA might say. So this is in caviar, but it's the micro caviar. So if I put the other video of the other card holder, you can noticeably see that the caviar is a lot bigger on the flat card holder versus this one. The caviar leather is a lot smaller, as well as the puffiness on this product looks a lot bigger than the flat one that I got. So this one has one card holder in the front, 3 in the back, and that's as many as the flat one. However, this one came with a zipper, so that way I can put cash, coins, anything like that in here. And it has an accordion style side, just on one side though, which is nice because then you can like open it and see inside of it a lot better. And this is the authenticity card, and it's also a 29 series as well. I'll post pictures up here for you guys to see the comparison between this guy and the last one that I had. Basically, they're the same in length, but the height is a little bit taller on this one because it does have the zipper compartments, which I don't mind that it takes up that space in my purse, because the other one that I was looking at was longer, and that was bothering me because then it takes up more space on the other half of the purse that I could use for my camera. So that's why I really like this one, and I'm really happy that my FA told me that this one came in. I'm really happy that they came out with this kind of hardware because it's more meant for like a younger vibe. They call it like the younger chic, kind of like trendy cool. That's what my FA told me, a little bit of info on that. And then also on the inside, it features a burgundy lining, which is classic to Chanel, because when Chanel was younger, she was in an orphanage and their colors of the uniform was burgundy. So that's why a lot of the classic pieces you guys see today, they have the burgundy inside lining. Also, this piece was made in Spain like the last one that I had, and Chanel only has 3 factories, so one in Spain, one in Italy, and one in France. So in France, they make more expensive handbags there, and then in Spain, they make SLGs and shoes there, and then in Italy, they make like fashion handbags, so things that you would see on the runway. So I'm thinking like any like runway stuff that you see will be made from that factory. And that's kind of similar to Louis Vuitton, except for the fact that Louis Vuitton does have factories here in the US. I'm going to go grab my mini so I can show you guys how it fits inside. So this is my Chanel mini. It's also from the same collection, the 20S collection. However, it is in lambskin. So I'm going to show you guys up close real quick what the micro caviar looks like with the lambskin, because I showed in my last video what the regular caviar and the lambskin looks like up close. So here it is. Look how tiny the caviar looks like. There you go. And it is in the same tone hardware, which I love this hardware because in some lighting it looks a little bit of gold, some lighting looks silver, so I can mix and match a lot of my accessories and not have to worry about, oh my god, is my accessories matching my purse hardware, things like that. It's very carefree for this shade of hardware, and I love that they made this. It's amazing that they thought of doing this because you can't really tell, like right here it looks to me silver, and then if I tilt it just a little bit it looks gold. So this piece can fit in nicely. I love that. There you go. It takes up like no room. And if you're really brave, you can actually fit it in the pocket right there. There's nothing that I really put in that pocket right here. So I guess I could put this in there and not have any issues with it. It kind of peeks up if you let it sit like that. However, it still will close because the flap is a lot higher. So you can keep it upright like this or sideways and it'll fit just fine. And like I said in my last video, I picked caviar because, you know, your SLGs work the hardest for you. You use it the most, right? You use it probably more than your purses if you have multiple purses, because you can put them in every single bag and that's what you'll be using. So I would rather have the SLGs in caviar than in lambskin because I drop my stuff all the time. So the caviar is going to last me a lot longer when it comes to an SLG. I also did buy protectors for the emblem for this and my mini, so that video will be coming soon when I do get the products in the mail. My camera battery died, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking for this card holder and you guys can't find it, please DM me on Instagram. I will refer you to my FA. He could get this for you, I'm sure of it. He said they got a bunch in at his location, so I'm sure it's not too late for you to pick up one of these as well. It also comes in a very beautiful pink color, so I'll post pictures here for you. I think my friend Huey might actually pick one up. Hopefully I can convince him to get it. And that's it to this video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what your favorite SLG is and where is it from, what brand is it by. I would love to check those out as well because I love SLGs so much. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.